Hey, how's it going? It's Craig, your Mad Hatter. I'm just going to do a unboxing and review, and it's going to be on the Andis PROALLOY right here. These are a corded clipper, not cordless, but corded. I know everyone's going cordless at the moment with the new Andis Masters and your Pro US LIs. Anyway, let's bring these are apparently a goodie as well, so let's get right to it. These, what does it say on the front? It says best for all-round cutting and tapering, has a extreme temperature reduction, so XTR technology, cooler, quieter and powerfuler. Also has a magnetic motor with 6,000 SPM, durable alloy body, comes with 9 attachments, blade attachments, and apparently that's the actual size of it that's on the box as it says right here. Let's open it. So on the back here it's best for wet, dry, hair type, coarse, medium, so if it's good for those then it's going to be fine for all hair. Let's get them open. Okay, so you just have your instruction manual that you don't really need if you're a fully qualified barber. It's all your other crap that's written in there, you can read it if you like, but I don't. Okay, here's your attachments. I'm not going to open them. And comes with some oil. And the blade protector. And here they are, they've got a nice rubber feel across here. I think it's not rubber, it's a different type of plastic, but it feels alright. They've got a bit of weight to them. Yeah. Maybe that could just be all this bunched up. Yeah, they've got a bit of weight to them. So they're not light. There's your on-off button on the side here. Okay, there they are. Nice steel body on them. Well, I say PROALLOY, but they are quite heavy, so if they were alloy they'd be a lot lighter. There's the blade. Okay. Don't feel too bad. I mean, they're comfortable in the hand, but like I say again, you can almost do some tricep curls and bicep curls with these. Plug them in and let's have a listen. Definitely loud. Definitely need an adjustment. So here's your adjuster on the side there. There we go. Oh, now they sound better. Sound the blade open. Sound the blade closed. Little clip there. That's a plastic blade. It's a plastic blade adjuster as well, so don't be too hard on it. You can see they'd be pretty good for fading because you can see that the blade does go out a fair bit. from your cutting blade. Okay, let's give them a test up against the Wild Legends. There's the Wild Legend. They are about the same in size, not a lot of difference. Blade size, same as well. The walls open up pretty much about the same as the wall, so as well. It comes with a different blade though, compared to the Wild Legend, as you can see. Yeah. I'll turn these walls on. That's the wall on, and this is the Andis side. Wall on. Andis on. So that's what they both look like on the back. I do gotta say, I think I like the look of the Andis a lot better. They both probably weigh about the same. Just that I've been using cordless for that long, for a little while now. Quite a few months probably, since the Senior came out. Actually, since the Magic came out, so I'm kind of getting used to the lighter, no cord flopping around clipper, I guess. But yeah, there we go. I'll give these a try out anyway. Always good to have a pair of corded clippers around, I suppose, for a rainy day. There we go. There we are. Again, there's the power button right there. Pushing up to turn on, pushing down to turn off. So it's not in a too bad spot. So it's right where your thumb is. If you use your right hand, if you're left-handed, you can still put on your thumb on that side. If you're right-handed, it's not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad all around. There we go. Now again, there's your power adjuster on the side there as well. It's got a nice holder there too, compared to the Walls one. There we go. Alright. That is the Andis PROALLOY clipper. Alright. I'll come back at you in a couple of weeks, maybe even a week. Give them a good hard try out on the clients. And just see how they go. Alright. Take it easy. Enjoy whatever you're doing. Enjoy your cutting. And cheers.